Welcome. If you want to turn on Google Assistant on your UMIDIGI S3 Pro, we can do this in the two ways. The first one, we can go right here for the Google app, then move to the More, tap on the Settings, tap on the Google Assistant, and then move to the Assistant and find your device. Next, we have to tap on the switcher, and right now, when we say "Hey Google," it is activated. We can access our assistant to voice match, but I'm going to skip this way. But we can also click and hold here and we will get our Google Assistant, right? And the second way, it's much faster. So all we have to do is just to click and hold the home button until we got this notification, and then we can click turn on. As you can see right now, Assistant is also working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!